Welcome back to the channel, Pitbull Garage. As promised, gonna do the Tazer video. So on this video, mostly it's gonna be my bro explaining everything. I'm gonna let him take over, and there's gonna be different scenes, but I'm gonna show you like the basic install and what it does. And most of the people, you just want to see what it does. We're gonna probably skip over like a lot of the download and shit, but give you the basics of it. So let's just get to it.
Okay, you should be able to go in there. There's a little tab right there. Boop. That little tab. Pull it. Boop. Little tab right in the front of this one right there. Mash it. Boop. Comes right out. Now the two ends are ready for the Tazer. And the good thing about it is you can't mix the ends up because they're different sizes. And that's how you match them to the Tazer. So you plug them into your Tazer. As soon as you get it plugged in, you should see these lights going. And you should get the green flash. After marrying, I'm just going to do a full reboot. So hold down the signal light and hit the cruise control. Do a full reboot. Let it reboot things so we can make sure we get all our features. So it's going to update and it's going to reboot and do its thing. All right. Marrying the Tazer to the truck now. It's going to reboot and do some things, you know what I'm saying? But we should have a fuller menu once it's married. So just waiting. Alright, show that it's married. Okay, as you see, we got it working. And down here, it's blinking. So it's black, which means that the reboot is complete. So I can go ahead and start my truck. All right. As you can see, I already got the auto folding mirrors working. You know what I'm saying? As soon as you hit the ignition, boom, boom, they pop on. So if you want to get into your Tazer menu, you want to hold two buttons here. Left arrow and cancel button. But you want to go to, shucks, you got to go to audio first. My bad. Don't let me get ahead of myself here. Start these bloopers and shit. So you want to go to auto, and that's how you get your light show going. You got 6 different light shows. So to scroll through the menu, you hold the arrow and you hit the cancel button. So turn ignition over to run. Ignition on run. Now you can start selecting your different modes. So we in auto, light show, like I let it do its little thing with the. Codes, you can read your codes, you can clear them, you can unmarry it from the car. Say you finna take your shit back in, you know what I'm saying, just unmarry it real quick and whoop, was never there. Performance, you know what I'm saying. So when you want to get into like the different menus, you hit the arrow and you hit the middle button, the cruise button, and then that's how you can change your tire size, which we got a little trick for you coming in the future. We ain't gonna show you that one today, but we got something special for you. So you go ahead and hit through the menu there. You can change your gear ratio. Say you put some bigger gears in it. You can change it from 4 low. Just different kind of little stuff. You can do your TPS readings. And you can mess with your radio. Different kind of settings with your radio. But I'm not going to mess with all that. I'm more of a for the folding mirrors. And also when you install the Tazer, the good thing about it is when you're in a mode, you know how every time you get back in your truck, every time you shut your truck off, if you got it in tow mode, you got to go back and set your mode up. With the Tazer, it stays in the mode. So if you get out in snow mode, cut the truck off, get back in the truck, boom, you still in snow mode. So you ain't got to go back through all that menu shit and redo that. You know what I'm saying? All right, so lighting, like I said, got 6 different kinds. Off-road, different little modes, but the truck already got different off-road stuff. Mirrors. As you can see, you want to change them, just hit the middle button right there. You turn them off. But I got the power fold mirrors on, so that's what I want to keep. I want to keep them on. tow mirror. I don't have tow mirrors and all that, and I don't have on the cameras and all that other stuff, so nope. Now, let's go in and start messing with some other stuff here. Looks like for your live settings to work, you gotta have the truck running. So we're gonna go into live settings, brake hold, we're not gonna mess with that. Motion, that's when you can mess with your screen while you're driving, because you know that you can't type nothing in while you're driving. So that's another feature. Tazer. Turn cameras, I don't have any turn cameras, I just got a rear camera on this man. Autofold mirrors, daytime running lights, you can mess with those, change the colors from white to amber. Pretty cool little thing. I don't have a winch on it. Tire feel is when you can go in here and you can set, say if you want to set your tires at 38, it'll honk the horn, bump bump, when you reach 38 pounds of pressure in each tire. Dark mode, that's when you can have it so when you're sitting and you put it in park, all the screen, everything goes dark, so the truck just be running with no lights on. Video mode, that's where you can flip over here and you can go in, I'll go in there, you can turn your camera on, you know what I'm saying, while you're just sitting. So that's a cool little thing right there. Cut your camera back off. Force into rear wheel drive. So we're gonna get into that. You feel that little bump there, boop. So that right now we're in 2-wheel drive. So we'll probably go out and do some test hits and show you guys how that is. So.
All right, TRX and 2-wheel drive mode. That's gonna do it for the Tazer video. Hope you got some knowledge out of this and go ahead and try it yourself on your TRX. Until then, see you next time. Peace.